Right now, you're looking at a sentiment score of plus 0.72 in agriculture, which is significantly above the historical baseline. This spike signals an unusual level of positive sentiment that we haven't seen in recent weeks, suggesting a potential shift in public attitude or emerging trends worth investigating. Our API returns a comprehensive analysis of agricultural sentiment, including momentum and semantic clusters, enabling you to dive deeper into the underlying factors driving this sentiment shift. Imagine leveraging this data to inform your crop investment strategies, or adjust your marketing approaches based on real-time sentiment analysis. To get started, check out our documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.